Munro College is represented by Donald Robinson, Jamoy Pitta, Leano Williams, and Tejon Hall. Dinthill Technical is represented by Jermaine Wilson, Jadian James, Casey Grant, and Justin Anderson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 8th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Dinthill Technical won, and they decided to send Munro College into bat. So we begin with Munro College. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. So Munro, we start off with physics. What is the SI unit of conductivity?
Conductivity. Conductivity. No, conductivity. Farad per meter.
Siemens per meter.
Siemens per meter.
Correct. Dinthill, physics. What is the SI unit of coefficient of viscosity?
Viscosity. Newton per meter. No, Newton meter. Alright, Newton per meter.
Newton per meter.
Squared.
Do we accept? No. Pascal seconds or Newton seconds per square meter. Local affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Carencia Morrison.
Carencia Morrison.
Correct. Local affairs, Dinthill. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Here it is.
Robert
Miller.
Incorrect. Dwight Sibley's. Spanish for Munro. Translate to English. ¿Qué piensas del libro?
What do you think of the book? What do you think about the book? What do you think about the book?
Yes.
Good.
And Spanish for Dinthill. Translate to English. ¿Cuál quieres? ¿La pluma o el lápiz?
What do you want, the pen or the pen?
Or the pencil. What do you want, the pen or the pencil?
Yes.
Good word.
And music. Munro, listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
On a fuzzy tree, my friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love.
Elvis Presley?
The singer is right?
Yeah.
Elvis Presley.
Elvis Presley.
Correct. Dinthill, music. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
What's his name? Alright, Ray Charles.
Ray Charles.
Incorrect. Richie Valens. Information technology for Munro. What does the abbreviation PDF stand for?
Portable document
Format. Portable document format.
Correct. Information technology, Dinthill. What does the abbreviation SQL stand for?
One person. You all
Structured query language.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Munro, look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Dinthill, look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
All right.
Emily Blunt.
Emily Blunt.
Emily Blunt.
Incorrect. Brie Larson. Munro, literature. Which novel by George Lamming is an allegorical account of the journey of a slave ship toward San Cristobal?
San Cristobal.
So we're setting at San Cristobal. Which one?
So we need
Native of my person.
Native of my person.
Yes. And Dinthill, literature. Which novel by George Lamming features 3 artists, Roger and Teton, traveling to England seeking enlightenment and opportunity?
We have some context clues.
You have any Georgia Miller?
In the castle of my skin.
In the castle of my skin.
No, water with berries. Sports. Munro, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
I don't know that. Which one of them that?
Which country that is? Like Kenya or something?
Wilfred Wanyoni.
Wilfred Wanyoni.
Incorrect. Anthony Strawn. Sports. Dinthill, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Talo. Maritalo.
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 correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. No give sure fee.
Unsure.
Unsure.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Dinthill. Complete the Jamaican proverb. No swap black dog.
The monkey.
The monkey.
Correct. And French for Munro. What is the English translation for Mon ami vient d'Espagne?
My friend is from Spain.
That makes sense.
My friend traveled to Spain. My friend visited Spain.
My friend visited Spain.
My friend what?
Visited Spain.
No, my friend is from Spain or my friend is Spanish. French, Dinthill. What is the English translation for Ma mère est malade?
My mère est malade.
My mother and father.
Go on.
My mother and father.
No, my mother is sick.
Come back.
Art. And that's a bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Munro on 8, Dinthill Technical on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.